and failed to give me his full name, and I request he's fired to be fired, okay? I have a guy who refused to give me a name. He told me his work at the Boston Marathon. He gave me a wishes and this retaliation and threatened me. I'm here for a few minutes, and I know the policy and the law, and he have people CV, those have been documented, and he refused to give me his name, and I have him fired. You will see him arguing with me and lying to me due to his failure for the safety. It's someone who's fixing things here. He's under arrested and suspended and for criminal mind for retaliation and misdemeanor. Also, okay, for retaliation, discrimination, and racial and misdemeanor. This is federal fraud. Everything been documented, okay?
The next E train to East Street is now arriving.
The next North Station train arrives in 3 minutes.
You stupid. You only come about a maximum question. If he is a member of the mafia, I'm not asking that question.
The next Wonderland train arrives in 3 minutes. The next Bowden train arrives in 1 minute.
El Chapo for me, South American,
To Cleveland Circle
even
is
right
now
now.
arriving.
Both of them are South American. A member of
The
the
next
city.
North Station train arrives in 2 minutes.
Attention passengers, the next Blue Line train to Bowden is now arriving.
The next D train to Riverside is now boarding. The next North Station train arrives in 2 minutes.
You come in off to take a bar that you cannot win. Why not? Jackpot for me. Jackpot for me. Be a stupid crazy idea.
Attention passengers, the next Blue Line train to Wonderland is now arriving.
Be a stupid crazy idea. Take a bar you will never. There's no one that you can do. You can do myself. But jackpot for me. That's it. That's too much. Bad everything too. Oh no. These stupid and dumb, why they cooking them? Those stupid racist cooking. This one is the mafia family. Let them go doing crazy. They will do anything that is stupid. I know that. I just have to know. Alright. Remember I told you, those racist people are stupid. Racist people are stupid. So much.
The next Wonderland train arrives in 8 minutes. The next Bowden train arrives in 6 minutes. The next North Station train arrives in 1 minute. The next B train to Boston College arrives in 5 minutes.
The next train to North Station is now arriving.
The next B train to Boston College arrives in 5 minutes.
Yeah, so they put that because just of me, they don't care about the people. So that's why you see the bombing people as